Hey guys, welcome back to Survive in Architecture. In today's video, I'll be showing you my sketchbook for the lake project that I've done last year. It was actually 3 sketchbooks that I've binded together with a thread, and I have posted the first part or 2 I think on my channel, so I'll have that linked in the description if you guys want to see the beginning. So without further ado, here's my sketchbook tour part 3. The first thing in my sketchbook is precedent studies, and these were kind of different than my regular precedent studies because I've done them in pencil colors, and they're mainly projects on a hill because our lake project, the site was on a hill and a lake. So next is some ideas and concepts of my own project. My stage 2 presentation sheets. It was really praised on for its simplicity, although I did not take it as a compliment because I love complex and intricate architecture more. So my mission was to find a balance between complex and simple, and that's what I really wanted for this lake project. So I did more projects and more precedent ideas, and the first idea that I really wanted to do was a walkable roof. And I basically did some research on walkable roofs and sustainability. Next is a lot of printouts from books on passive and active sustainability, renewable energy, and construction. I find printouts much easier to understand in the long run. I really enjoyed calculating the energy consumed in the average house, and then how much rainwater I need to harvest, or which type of windmill do I need to generate enough electricity. Then I've done research on a hyperbolic paraboloid roof, which is an idea that I wanted. It came about looking at a precedent study that I really liked, and I didn't know how it was constructed, and I showed my instructor and he said, "Hey, this is hyperbolic paraboloid." Kind of stuck with me, and I really wanted to do that. So I looked at sculptures and images and other projects to try to understand or know my limitations or know exactly how I can do them. Then my sketches, changes that I had on the plan after my development, and my research. Another project that I found that used wooden strips on a metal structure to create an angular exterior, which I thought would help me create the walkable roof and my angular roof. I thought I had finally found my project and I loved everything about it, but there was just some things that I tried to change with the proportions of my plan and my concept, but it didn't work. Although I loved the elevations and I loved the section, each elevation was really interesting, but it was not the right balance for me yet. I've also then tried to change the form using angles, but at the time I felt so stuck and frustrated, and I hadn't yet sketched something that I really liked. It was either too simple or just too complex or weird, and I was so used to playing it safe with my designs and always looking for something better. So this time I was like, nope, I'm gonna do something that I'm actually very proud of, and something that I've done or something that I've wanted to do for a long time. But it was really hard because, like I said, I played it safe for a lot of times. So anytime I did something complex or really the thing that I wanted, I just got really scared, which is stupid, and I'm kind of contradicting myself, but that's what happened. And as you can see, I have sketched a lot and tested many things that, looking back at it now, I might have also been okay with taking any one of those sketches and developing it, but as I said, I was stuck. By this point, I had finally started sketching things that I actually liked with the hyperbolic paraboloid. I also played around with the orientation of the building in a way that maximized solar heat gain and minimized the changes on the site, because there was trees on the site that I wanted to keep. I've also found some amazing projects with the use of hyperbolic paraboloids and walkable roof that are amazing, but there were only a few and constructed with concrete while I needed timber. We also had to draw a detailed section of the project, so I kind of needed more information than those projects were giving me. My instructor at this point sent me a project saying that it reminded her of me and my ideas, and it was like a gift. It was the perfect project, honestly. It had almost the exact roof that I wanted, materials, finishes, and it just really helped me tie all of my projects together. I went around to finalize my ideas, concepts, interior sketches, finishes, and also my stair design, which I thought I wanted angular, but then I stick to something very simple to kind of balance everything. And then I did more information about basement construction, landscaping ideas and concept diagrams. Then finally my development on AutoCAD and how the plans have changed and my detailed section. So this is the final poster with my project that I'm very happy with, and I think it just has the right amount of complexity and simplicity. And I hope my sketchbook kind of showed you that if you persevere and you work hard, you will do a project that's amazing. I didn't end up doing a walkable roof. I just didn't feel like it was right for my project, and as much as I tried to make it work, it just wouldn't, and sometimes that's okay. I still made my hyperbolic paraboloid and I've did some more amazing ideas, so I'm more than happy. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Give the video a like and share it to your friends, and head over to my Facebook page for our community posts. I'm Raja Shururu and I'll see you next time.